You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more Japanese food names that too many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Mochi. Mochi is how it is said in Japanese. Now, in English it is often pronounced as mochi, with the mo sound, but the Japanese sound is more like mochi, mochi, rather than mochi. Mochi is how you want to say it. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations from Japanese cuisine and Japanese food and food names from around the world. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.